Welcome back to my channel. Today I have got another easy, healthy, high protein meal prep recipe for you. We're going to be making Mediterranean roasted potato bowls. They are delicious and they're super easy, and this is another sheet pan recipe, so it's pretty much hands off. All we have to do is put some seasonings on, do a little chopping, and then the oven does the rest. Let's go. So we are going to add our potatoes into the bowl, followed by a little bit of olive oil, a tablespoon. Give that a good mix. Sprinkle in our seasonings. One more good mix. We'll spread them onto our sheet pan. Just make sure that they are spread out into a single layer, and then we'll pop them in the oven for 10 minutes at 425. Give that a good mix. Going to add a little bit of salt and some garlic powder, and we'll give it another mix. We're just going to season our chicken breasts. All right, so as you can see, these potatoes have already had 10 minutes in the oven and are starting to cook. We're just going to move them over and make room for the chicken and the broccoli. Just put our broccoli down. We'll spread that out. And now we're actually going to place our chicken breasts on top of the broccoli. They'll cook just fine up there, and the broccoli will cook no problem underneath. Now back in the oven for 20 minutes. Oh, very nice. And that's it. We'll put the lids on, and they'll be good in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. Perfect for make-ahead lunches. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy healthy, high-protein recipes like this one, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.